Here in Orlando at the Global Produce and Floral Trade Show, it felt a little like being in an oversized grocery store with tons of recognizable brands, colorful displays, and delicious foods we've all come to know and love. Now, I may be a bit biased, but I think the best was the Washington Grown booth. Here, all kinds of Washington brands came to Florida to share the bounty of our state with the rest of the world.
We love to come out to all of these shows. That's when we are here in Florida, and we just like to tell people about Washington potatoes. We actually have some of the best potatoes in Washington, and again, those specialty potatoes. Folks are looking for those reds, those yellows,
right.
and
the purples.
Yeah, the purples, and the French fries.
Let's see what else Washington State has to offer.
A lot of times we don't see these people that we do business with very often. Most of it's done over the phone or over the computer. So a convention like this gives us this opportunity to meet with these people occasionally in person. It's a great opportunity to network together.
The asparagus in Washington is strongly considered to be the best in the world.
Okay.
Because of the volcanic soil and the climate that we live in.
Are there other asparagus commissions here?
I've talked to the local people here, like just in these booths here, about their asparagus.
It's a neighborly community, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I'd burn them down if I could, but I try to be neighborly.
We're here to talk about turfgrass seed and you know, hopefully make some contacts. So 90% of the Kentucky bluegrass is grown in the Pacific Northwest.
Okay.
And a lot of that is grown in Washington State. So the seed itself, yeah, is being exported all over the world.
Next up is Landon Rowley of Rowley and Hawkins Fruit Farms. Today, he's talking about their tart cherries.
You'll find that in your pies, you'll find that in your Pop-Tarts or ice creams or juices. That's most commonly your flavoring for medicines and other different things. So that's when you see cherries on something, most of the time it's tart cherries.
Okay, tart cherry juice, concentrate right here. Woo! And then there's the cherry. Wow.
So there is about 60 cherries that you just ate.
That's just 60 cherries right there?
Yeah. Just 60.
I've been able to talk with potential customers from all over the world, from Japan to Korea, Taiwan.
You meet so many fun people, and the fact that everyone is excited about potatoes makes me excited about what I do.
A lot of the big name brands from all over the US are here. And so for us, it's really cool to be part of that.
I think making those contacts to be able to sell our products, you know, Washington, again, produces over 300 crops, and we've got to find buyers for them.
That message of eat local, there's more to it. It's about knowing your producer and knowing where your food is coming from. And at a show like this, we're able to make that connection.
Coming up, Tomas is trying a pulled pork sandwich with a special ingredient.
This is my half, but I'm gonna get another one.
And we're in the kitchen at Second Harvest trying Chef Laurent's Asian chicken and cherry lettuce wrap.